Gold Vision 8 includes a range of enhanced navigation options so you can drill down to key information quickly. From any list, one click takes you to a split screen view from which you can move between records to update and action, including a simple inline edit function. We have created this handy web clip to show how easy this is. This is a favourite list of accounts who have an annual subscription. Clicking on an opportunity name will open the opportunity. By clicking on the Show List function in the top left of the screen, this will display the records in your original list. From here, you can easily navigate to different records without losing your filtered list. Your Show List can be extended to show the full list view. From within the Show List feature, you can inline edit the fields, which will update your main record. You can also use the filter icon to filter your list to a specific record. You can navigate away from the opportunity record, for example, look at the account record, without losing your filtered opportunity list, so you can easily return to it. And that's how to use the split screen function. Please click on the below tiles to view our other videos. Thank you.